Yo, what's up guys? We're gonna talk about road rage incidents, and if you guys remember back in, what year was this video? I was old enough to know better.
Run me over! Run me over! Henry, run me over! You trying to play?
How many of you guys remember this road rage incident? Not my best moments, but if you guys know me, I have quite the temper, and I've been better about it in the past few years as I get older and I have a daughter now. I'm not as reckless as I used to be, but if you guys want to watch that video, link in the description and pop it right up here. I'm sure most of you guys have seen this video. It's a Prius that gets rammed by a Jeep, and the video starts with the confrontation already happening. The Prius owner hops out of the car, confronts the Jeep owner, when the Jeep owner of course does what Jeep owners do, run over Prius and breaks the door. Let's take a look at this one. So I tried to look up more information on this right here, but there's no updated reports on this because this video is quite old. Most of you guys have probably seen this already because we all like seeing Priuses smashed. I'm just kidding. It almost looks like this guy is on the outside holding the person's arm, and the Jeep owner pretty much destroys the car. So the articles I did find about this states that initially they thought the Prius owner was the victim of this, but there's a pizza joint right across the street. When they looked at the camera footage, it may tell a different story. There's no updated article on it, and I can't find anything on this information, so if you guys know, leave in the comments below. Hey, but check out this door though on the Prius. Yeah, it's smashed. I mean, it's completely smashed. Look at this. Woo-wee. I have been a victim, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave it as a victim of road rage incidents many times in my life while driving, and a lot of the times it's not my fault. I think it's just people's misconception of certain cars. But according to some information online, because the internet's always correct, almost 1,200 incidents of road rage are reported per year. And you know the information is a lot bigger because I don't report my daily road rage incidents, because sometimes I just want to punch people in the face when they're driving really slow on the freeway, on the fast lane. Get the out of the lane, people. But yeah, 1,200 incidents. And interestingly enough, almost 7% of those result in death. Almost 7%. Let me tell you guys a story. Once upon a time, and unreported resource place that I found this information, someone got shot during a road rage incident. And this was somewhere in Palos Verde. The guy got shot through the door. The bullet hit his nuts. Let's take a moment for him and just take a moment. You know, he just lost his nuts because of a road rage incident. But on the bright side, it was two gangsters that were doing it. So it's okay to me. But then he lost his nuts. It's gone. Our next video, road rage incident, of course, turns racist. Well, of course, what would happen on road rage? People always go to the race card. And interestingly enough, this guy mistakes this lady as Hispanic when she says she's an Arab.
You're an idiot. I'm a Arab. I'm a beaner. I'm an Arab.
Just in case you guys didn't know, he's saying the word beaner over and over.
I'm Arab.
Wetback, wetback, wetback.
He ends up switching to wetback. Okay, all right. Throwing out everything. So this guy's vocabulary consists of beaner and wetback. Interesting. Whoa, he's got a rhythm going on there. Who said white people don't have rhythm? I got another story for you guys. So one time I was on the freeway, same incident happened, but they're screaming wet back to this one person, right? Obviously a Hispanic lady. And it's interesting because we live in California, and the guy's screaming, go back to where you came from. I believe I'm in California, and I'm no history buff, but I believe that Mexico owned California once upon a time. And if that's the case, then we're kind of in where their generations are. So if they go back where they came from originally, then none of us actually belong here. I shouldn't even be here. I'm Vietnamese. Yeah. I mean, just a little bit of history for you guys. All right, this video is a little bit older. It's from 2018. Some of these videos you guys have seen already, but I'm just scrounging the internet for some topics to talk about. And this one was like a what the moment right here. Here, I'm just going to play the video for you guys so you guys can see what the hell's going on. If you missed it, that's a sledgehammer. Yes, to the window. I mean, at that point, when do you get that angry where you have to hop out of your car? Go bury bonds on this guy's car. Are you freaking serious? Reports say they are still looking for the suspect and victim, but no information further has been reported since then. I've got another story for you guys. And this is going to be just make-believe. So let's go ahead and just pretend, put your pretend hats on. And one time some guy pulled up on me and threatened me, and I pulled out a knife on him. And it didn't work, so I pulled out 2 knives on him, and then he drove away. So apparently 2 knives scare people, not just one. On a serious note, guys, road rage is freaking dangerous. A couple ways you guys want to cool down is just to breathe or walk away or drive away and just don't confront them. Here's another story for you guys. You know what? I believe I'm that old guy with a lot of stories all the time. Once upon a time, and go ahead and just put your make-believe hat back on. Just a pretend story. I saw an incident happen. 2 guys are arguing from separate cars, yelling at each other, and funny story is they end up at the same gas station accidentally because they didn't know they're gonna be there. And yeah, one guy was a little biatch and just kind of cowered away. So for some reason, when we're in our cars, we feel super powerful, and people feel like they can say and do anything until confrontation actually happens. And then you don't realize the guy next to you pulls out a freaking sledgehammer and he goes ham on your door. It's better just to leave it alone, go home, and just relax. Or you can lose your left nut like that one dude from Palos Verde. I mean, look at the Prius guy. He lost a freaking door. One less Prius on the road. Thank goodness. Or you can be like this idiot and just stand in front of a freaking moving vehicle.
Run me over. Run me over. Henry, run me over. You trying to play?
What a freaking idiot. And I purposely did try to look for videos that had Asians in it, and I didn't find too many, but just Asians couldn't park in general. Turbo, hi buddy. You are so noisy when I'm trying to record. Oh my gosh, he's pushing my arm up just so I can pet him. Turbo, you want to relax a little bit? I'm trying to film a video right now. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. It's going to be kind of a short one. I'll try to keep these commentaries super short, but I will probably get demonetized because YouTube hates me and it's kind of obvious. So if you guys want to support through Patreon, please do so. Link in the description below. And also if you guys want to buy any cool merchandise, it's primaldriven.com or tunercrate.com or jdmbrand.com, and there's so many .coms I have now. But anyways, thanks for watching guys. Good night. It is about 1:20 a.m. as I'm filming this, and I'm up late filming, but I am dedicated to this cause. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Asian bow. Peace out. Boop, boop.
Run me over. Run me over. Henry, run me over. You trying to play?